Okay, bros, today I'm going to play a game called Squishy Bird. I hope you enjoy watching me playing this game because this game is actually hard for some people. So I try two minutes play. So oh my days, this is really hard. Game over. High score me. Now let's try it again. So let me squish these piece of shits to the death. Yeah, man. Soccer. Ooh, yeah, bitches. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh. Oh, yeah. Man, squish 'em more, bitch. Squish 'em more, sucker. They must die. All of them. Yes. All of them must die. Die, sucker. Da, 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 na, 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 na. My goal is to get 100. Man, this game is so boring. Oh no, yay. Boring. Hi, bro. I think you can't do this as well. Days 152. Man, the chances are gone. Better try my best. Okay, bros. I have to end this episode here. See you next time on the next episode. Bitch. Sucker.